Hello everyone, welcome back to the groundbreaking series on EPIC verification process for the GMC registration. So this is the multi-part series of the EPIC verification. So we'll talk on next installment how to do the notary cam, so how to verify your primary medical qualification and send to the GMC. So stay tuned. This is the do as we go video. This might be long, but we have given you a timestamp. You can select whichever you required from the timestamp down below. And also the primary aim of this video is to prevent you from doing the mistakes during the EPIC verification process, which might cost you a lot of stress and a lot of money. So let's start.